Welcome to this in-depth review of Dodging Energy Vampires, an empath's guide to evading relationships that drain you and restoring your health and power by Christiane Northrup. Christiane Northrup is a well-known advocate for women's health and wellness, and in this book, she delves into the world of empaths and energy vampires. She offers practical advice for empaths to protect themselves from those who drain their energy and provides strategies to reclaim their power and health. This review will explore the key themes, concepts, and practical tips presented in the book, offering listeners a comprehensive understanding of its valuable insights. Overview: Dodging Energy Vampires is structured as a guide for empaths, individuals who are highly sensitive to the emotions and energies of others. Northrup begins by defining energy vampires and explaining how they can negatively impact empaths. She then provides tools and strategies for identifying and protecting oneself from these draining relationships. The book is filled with personal anecdotes, scientific research, and spiritual wisdom, making it both informative and engaging. Key themes and insights. 1. Understanding empaths and energy vampires. Northrup begins by defining what it means to be an empath. Empaths are individuals who are highly sensitive to the emotions and energies of others, often to the point of feeling overwhelmed or drained. She explains the characteristics of empaths and how their sensitivity can make them vulnerable to energy vampires. Energy vampires are individuals who drain the energy and vitality of those around them. They can be manipulative, narcissistic, or simply unaware of the impact they have on others. Northrup categorizes different types of energy vampires and explains how they operate. 2. The impact of energy vampires on empaths. The book delves into the physical, emotional, and spiritual toll that energy vampires can take on empaths. Northrup explains how chronic exposure to draining relationships can lead to health issues such as fatigue, anxiety, depression, and even chronic illnesses. She emphasizes the importance of recognizing the signs of energy depletion and taking proactive steps to protect oneself. This awareness is crucial for empaths to maintain their well-being and avoid burnout. 3. Tools and strategies for protection. Northrup provides a range of practical tools and strategies for empaths to protect themselves from energy vampires. These include setting boundaries, practicing self-care, and developing emotional resilience. She emphasizes the importance of saying no and prioritizing one's own needs. Empaths often struggle with people-pleasing and overgiving, and Northrup offers guidance on how to break these patterns and reclaim personal power. 4. Healing and reclaiming power. Beyond protection, the book also focuses on healing and reclaiming one's power. Northrup discusses the importance of self-love, forgiveness, and personal growth in overcoming the effects of draining relationships. She encourages empaths to cultivate a positive mindset, surround themselves with supportive people, and engage in activities that restore their energy and joy. Healing is seen as a holistic process that involves mind, body, and spirit. 5. Embracing empathic gifts. While much of the book focuses on the challenges faced by empaths, Northrup also celebrates the gifts and strengths of being an empath. She encourages readers to embrace their sensitivity and use it as a source of intuition, compassion, and creativity. By understanding and harnessing their empathic abilities, individuals can lead fulfilling and empowered lives. Northrup provides exercises and practices to help empaths connect with their inner wisdom and harness their unique gifts. Key practices and exercises. 1. Setting boundaries. One of the most crucial practices for empaths is learning to set boundaries. Northrup provides practical tips on how to establish and maintain healthy boundaries in relationships. This includes recognizing one's limits, communicating assertively, and avoiding guilt or shame for prioritizing self-care. Exercises include visualizing a protective shield of light, practicing saying no, and journaling about boundary-setting experiences. 2. Self-care routines. Self-care is essential for empaths to replenish their energy and maintain balance. Northrup suggests creating a self-care routine that includes activities such as meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, and engaging in creative pursuits. She also emphasizes the importance of rest and relaxation, advising empaths to schedule regular downtime and avoid overcommitting. 3. Emotional resilience. Developing emotional resilience is key to handling the challenges of being an empath. Northrup provides exercises for building resilience, such as mindfulness practices, breathwork, and grounding techniques. She also discusses the importance of processing emotions in a healthy way, such as through journaling, talking with a trusted friend, or seeking professional support when needed. 4. Energy protection techniques. Northrup offers various energy protection techniques to help empaths shield themselves from negative influences. These include visualizations, affirmations, and rituals to cleanse and protect one's energy field. Techniques such as smudging with sage, using crystals, and practicing energy healing modalities are also discussed. 5. Cultivating supportive relationships. Building a network of supportive, positive relationships is crucial for empaths. Northrup advises readers to seek out friendships and partnerships that are nurturing and uplifting. Exercises include identifying energy-boosting people in one's life, setting intentions for attracting supportive relationships, and practicing gratitude for positive connections. Personal anecdotes and stories. 1. Northrup's personal experiences. Throughout the book, Northrup shares her personal experiences as an empath and her journey to understanding and protecting her energy. Her stories add authenticity and relatability to the teachings, helping readers connect with her insights on a personal level. She recounts specific instances where she had to navigate relationships with energy vampires and the lessons she learned along the way. 2. Stories of transformation. The book also includes stories of individuals who have successfully navigated their relationships with energy vampires and reclaimed their power. These stories provide inspiration and hope for readers who may be struggling with similar challenges. Real-life examples demonstrate how the principles and practices discussed in the book can lead to significant positive changes in one's life. Conclusion. In conclusion, Dodging Energy Vampires, An Empath's Guide to Evading Relationships That Drain You and Restoring Your Health and Power by Christiane Northrup is a valuable guide for empaths seeking to protect their energy and reclaim their power. Through a blend of scientific research, personal anecdotes, and spiritual wisdom, Northrup provides practical tools and strategies for identifying and evading energy vampires, setting boundaries, and restoring health and vitality. The book's emphasis on self-awareness, self-care, and personal growth makes it an empowering resource for empaths and anyone seeking to enhance their well-being. Whether you are an empath struggling with draining relationships or simply looking to improve your energy and resilience, Dodging Energy Vampires offers insightful guidance and inspiration for your journey. Thank you for listening to this review. I hope it has provided you with a thorough understanding of what to expect from Dodging Energy Vampires, and how it can help you navigate relationships, protect your energy, and live a healthier, more empowered life.